Hi and welcome to this new IoTeX tutorial. This video will show you how to use MetaMask to manage your wallet on the native IoTeX blockchain. Then we will see how to send IoTeX tokens from an exchange to your MetaMask account. So let's start from the beginning and install the MetaMask plugin for Chrome. Now that we installed MetaMask, we can go ahead and configure the first wallet account. Because this is a tutorial, I will skip the explainer video and I will also skip the backup phrase verification. Still, I highly recommend you to store your backup phrase in a safe place and do this verification step. Okay. Now MetaMask is configured and we have a wallet account. We can also add more accounts from the main menu if we want. By default, MetaMask is connected to the Ethereum blockchain, but we want to use it with the IoTeX blockchain. To connect MetaMask to the IoTeX blockchain, we need to go into Settings, Networks, and add a new network. We will call this network IoTeX Mainnet. And now, we must fill in the network configuration. I will open docs.iotex.io to find the configuration, which you can also find in the description below this video. In the documentation, find the IoTeX Wallets section, locate MetaMask, and scroll down to the MetaMask configuration. To make it easier, rather than copying the configuration from the images, I will jump directly to the actual documentation page for the IoTeX Ethereum API, where I can simply copy-paste the information I need. So copy the RPC endpoint and paste it into the MetaMask URL field. The chain ID for the IoTeX mainnet is 4689. I'll use IoTeX as the token symbol, and finally, for the block explorer, you can both use the official iotexscan.io or the alternative iotexscout.io. Cool. Now that we have added the IoTeX network to MetaMask, just make sure we have selected it in the network drop-down list. Now MetaMask is connected to the IoTeX blockchain, and this address refers to a wallet account on the IoTeX network. So let's see how we can send native IoTeX tokens from an exchange to this MetaMask wallet. I will take Binance as an example, where I have a few IoTeX tokens. So I click on Withdraw, I make sure I'm withdrawing IoTeX tokens, and now I should input the recipient address where I want the tokens to be sent. Normally, I would input my MetaMask address, but this will not work with Binance. The problem is that Binance fixed the destination network based on the format of the recipient address. Because we input an address in the Ethereum format, the exchange will guess that we want to withdraw the IoTeX token to the Binance Smart Chain. Instead, we want to withdraw to the native IoTeX chain. So to make sure Binance understands that we want to withdraw to the native IoTeX blockchain and not to the Binance Smart Chain, we must input the recipient address in the native IoTeX format. There are many ways to convert an address from the Ethereum format to the IoTeX format and back. Let's see some of them. One option is to go to the IoTeX block explorer, iotexscan.io, and look up your wallet address in the Ethereum format. IoTeX Scan will show you the details for this wallet address, including its representation in the native IoTeX format. Another option is to go to the IoTeX staking portal, member.iotex.io. Select the tools page, then address converter, input your wallet address, and it will show you the same address in the IoTeX native format. There are also community tools like this one. Go to iotexlab.io, which is the website of the IoTeX Delegate IoTeX Lab, just go to Dashboard, Address Converter, input your address in whatever format you prefer, and you will get both the Ethereum and the IoTeX native address. You can click Copy to copy the address. Finally, if you are more of a Linux person, you can use the ioctl command line tool to convert the address. Type ioctl account eth_addr followed by your address. It will return both representation in the Ethereum and the IoTeX format. Great! So let's copy our address in the native IoTeX format and paste it into the Binance withdraw page. Now Binance recognizes that we want to withdraw our tokens to the IoTeX native blockchain, and we can confirm the withdrawal. Wait a couple minutes for Binance to process the operation, and once it's completed, we can get back to our MetaMask wallet and confirm that we received the tokens. This is all for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.